Dear students, I hope you are all well and studying in your home and enjoying your online classes. In last chapter, we will discussed about the elements, compound and mixtures. In this chapter, we will talk about the synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay, so as you already read about fibers in the class 7th, you already know that the clothes which we wear are made up of fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. Can you name some natural fibers? Okay, if we will the class we can discuss with each other. So this time this is not possible. So you can say that fibers are also used for making a large variety of household articles. Okay, make a list of some common articles made from fibers. Try to separate them into those made from natural fibers and those made from artificial fibers. Make entries in table 3.1. So what you have to do in your home, see different type of articles made from different fibers. Okay, so you have to classify them whether these are from natural or artificial. Okay, we will go in detail with the natural or artificial, as you already read in the last class, last year classes, that natural fibers are naturally occurring by plants or animals, and artificial are man-made, okay, which are made by man normally. So in this table, what you have to do, you have to fill with pencil. If you have your book, on your NCRT book, you have to fill. Okay, you have to first write serial number like 1 2 3 4, and then you have to name the article. Okay, suppose you can just write about any rope. Okay, so you can just write here it is natural or synthetic or artificial. Okay, and other examples are like you can write shoes. Okay, and whether it is made from natural fiber or any shirt. So whatever articles are found in your home, you can make a list and write in this table: 1 2 3 4 5, at least 5 articles you have to write. Okay, name of articles is here, and then you have to just write about their fiber, whether it is natural or artificial. So before you can make a list, some students are forgot that what are synthetic fibers. So you have to recall the uniform pattern found in a necklace of beads joined with the help of a thread. Okay, you can see in figure 3.1a, you can see, okay, this is bead, okay, one bead, and it is joined with a paper clip, or with a thread. Okay, it is joined with thread, and you can see here pins are arranged. Okay, paper clips are joined to form a long chains. So these are the figure. Or try to join a number of paper clips together to make a long chain. Is there are similarity between these two? Okay, you can find any similarity between these two. So what why did you label some fibers as artificial? You have read in your previous classes that natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. The synthetic fibers, on the other hand, are made by human beings. That is why these are called synthetic or man-made fibers. Okay, as we already discussed about. So a synthetic fiber, what is a synthetic fiber? Is also a chain of small units joined together. Okay, as these beads are joined together by a long chain, and these clips, same as synthetic fibers, also joined by a small units. Okay, each small unit is actually a chemical substance by which these synthetic fiber are made. It is a chemical substance. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called a polymer. Okay, and these combining form, or you can say large unit, is known as polymer, which is made from monomer. Here not given. From monomer or single unit, these polymers are formed. The word polymer comes from two Greek words, poly meaning many and mer means part or unit. So polymer is made of many repeating units. So one more interesting things for you, that polymers occur in nature also. Cotton, for example, is a polymer called cellulose. Okay, cellulose is made up of a large number of glucose unit. Okay, so these are the example of polymer found naturally in plants. Or you can say that cotton is a polymer of cellulose, and cellulose is made up of glucose units. And you can recall in your biology subject cell chapter also by this term cellulose, as it is the outer covering of the cell wall of plants. Cellulose, or you can say cell wall is made up of cellulose. So now we read about the some types of synthetic fibers. First one is rayon. You have read in class 7 that silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China and was kept as a closely guarded secret for a long time. Fabric obtained from silk fiber was very costly, but its beautiful texture fascinated everybody. Attempts were made to make silk artificially. Okay, so why we attempt to make silk artificially? Because natural silk is very costly. Okay, towards the end of the 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk. Such a fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, the silk like fiber is obtained from wood pulp chemically. Okay, this fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. That's why it is known as artificial silk. Although rayon is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber. However, it is made from wood pulp, but it made chemically by human beings. That's why it is known as man-made fiber or artificial fiber or synthetic fiber. Okay, so it can also be dyed. Okay, it is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fibers, and it can also be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Okay, so some examples, that rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet and mixed with wool to make carpets. So it is mixed with, you can say in one word, that it is mixed with natural fibers to make bed sheet and carpets. So you can see in figure also, this is the figure of for the carpets. Okay, and various articles made from made from rayon. Okay, these are the items made from the artificial silk or rayon. Okay, you can see this is carpet, this is bed sheet. Okay, so these are made from rayon. And try to read about nylon from your own, and we will discuss with this artificial or synthetic fiber in next class. Okay, so if you have any confusion, or you can and ask any question, you can ask any time. Thank you.